Meteorologist Dean Davidson, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. Time for your severe weather outlook for 2016. We are a weather ambassador for the Weather Ready Nation. We also offer year-round service for landscapers and outdoors people at theweatherpros.com. Check it out. And also a new liveweatherblogs.com coming up soon here on the website. New, different way, different look to it, but the same old good stuff. As we go along, you can see that for the next couple months, we're going to be in this pattern where we're going to have a troughing situation here in the Midwest and a troughing situation here in the East, where you might have the southern jet be very active and move up the apps, which would cause severe weather here, and you get lows coming into the Midwest. You're going to have severe weather out here too. So that is good to know what we have. We had a very busy February, and looking like we're going to continue March, April, even possibly May with that situation. This is your graph at a study that was done by the Storm Prediction Center. Here's your source in the bottom here. You can see the dark lines are La Nina, the white lines are El Nino, and the ones here are marginal, or with the lines in the clear one, they are marginal El Ninos and neutral. So you can see the most of the strongest years have been in that, and that's what we're heading into here on the East Coast. So we take a look at here the intensity scale, the scale of what they'll show intensity for how weak we'll see thunderstorms from the Storm Prediction Center. Anywhere from marginal with a very little bit of a risk, your slight risk, meaning the thunderstorms could happen. It could be tornadoes, damaging wind, etc. Your enhanced risk and up, you're usually going to see pretty widespread severe weather, especially in your moderate and high risks. That would include derechos and tornado outbreaks. So what is a tornado watch? A watch means conditions are favorable for a tornado. The warnings mean that they are occurring, either by radar or by spotters or emergency managers. And that means get to the lowest level of your basement, or get inside of like a tub in your bathroom, cover your head over. That's the most important thing you can do in a tornado situation. So what does that mean for the rest of this year? We're looking at a slightly above tornado season, and that's based on the weakening El Nino and going to right around the mid, what's that called, marginal to neutral area of the ENSO. And like I said, we have this pattern setting up where most of your troughs are going to be setting up perfectly for severe weather here, and also some of these storms will shoot out to through the Gulf of Mexico or up the Appalachian chain, bringing warm and moist air along the East Coast, giving a chance of tornadoes there also. So two distinct areas that we'll start off with at least through late April. This will then shift probably to northern plains, parts of Dixie Alley, and this will probably spread a little bit further north, maybe get into the Delaware Valley. There's some severe weather risk by May and June. So that is what we are foreseeing over the next couple months. Stay with liveweatherblogs.com and the Weather Pros, and we'll keep you updated. Meteorologist Dean Davidson, the Weather Pros. Thank you very much. Have a great one.